Welcome back to my channel. So, we will do a special reading for today. So, this is a third party energy check between you, your person, and the third party. So, if you are not involved in any kind of a third party situation, this reading might not resonate with you and there might not be any messages in store for you. So, only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. If you are seeing this on your page, there might be a message for you. Book your personal readings with me. Please message us on our Facebook page, M's Guide Tarot Reading, on our Instagram account at M's Guide, or you can send us a direct message here on YouTube. Please be aware that there are fake accounts lurking. Stay vigilant and don't get scammed. So we will be doing this with energy check from the past, present, and future energies. So first, energy check, we will be doing the past energy between you, your person, and the third party. Okay, so this is past energy between you, your person, and the third party. So I also pulled out some tarot cards to get the energy in between you and your person and the third party. So the first card that we pulled out, this represents your energy in the past, and the card to represent that energy is the Ace of Swords in the upright. So ang ibig sabihin niyan, yung energy nyo in the past, you wanted to talk with your person and find out the truth. So, gusto mong malaman kung ano yung katotohanan, kung ano yung nangyayari, kung meron bang third party or wala. So, that was the energy in the past. You wanted to find out the truth. You wanted to talk to your person with regards to this third party. And you wanted to communicate. And the energy of your person in the past is the Ten of Pentacles in the upright. So, yung person mo was feeling very positive. So, your person was on cloud 9 or cloud 10, let's say, kasi Ten of Pentacles. So, maaaring gusto niyang gumawa ng pamilya. He or she felt na there was fulfillment on their part. Kasi, parang ang saya-saya ng pakiramdam. And the energy in between you and your person is the Two of Wands in the reverse. So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, yung energy in between the two of you, walang action or walang forward movement. Hindi nagkaroon ng communication. So, kumbaga, maring nag-usap kayo pero hindi na ito nasundan ng reconciliation, kumbaga. Kasi pinili ng person mo ang third party in the past. So, walang progression yung relationship nyo. Maaring stagnant ang relationship, walang communication. Maaring iniwan ka din ng person mo. And yung energy naman ng third party is the Nine of Pentacles in the upright. So, mukhang very parang fulfilled yung third party kasi pakiramdam niya nasa kanya na ang lahat. So, yung person mo, 10, completion na. Yung third party is 9. So, may isa na lang kulang. So, maaring legality of being together, kumbaga. Kasi kaya siya 9, hindi pa uh, kompleto. Kasi 9 is next to 10. 10 is completion. 9 is may kulang pa. So, pakiramdam niya, nasa kanya na yung lahat. Kulang na lang yung mapakilala niya ng legal, yung person mo sa lahat ng tao. And the energy in between you and your person, your person and the third party, ang lumabas na card ay dalawa. the Death card in the reverse and the Seven of Cups in the reverse. So, ibig sabihin yan, alam nilang dalawa na ito ay mali or may kamalian doon sa relationship. And alam nila na kailangan itong itigil. Pero hindi nila ito mapigilan kasi buo ang loob nila na kahit their relationship is very um, parang ito ay gumagalaw sa chaotic na mundo or magulong mundo yung relationship nila, pagpapatuloy pa rin nila ito. Ayaw nila itong tigilan. So, yun yung energy nyo in the past. Okay, so ito naman ang energy between you, your person, and the third party in the present. And yung card na lumabas dito sa present energy mo ay ang Nine of Cups in the upright. So, ibig sabihin yan, naka-move on ka na. Okay ka na ngayong present time or yung present moment. Ikaw naman yung feeling great right now kasi nasa na yung lahat. Very fulfilled ka pagdating sa iyong buhay. Nasa iyo na ang lahat. May pera ka, may trabaho ka, maaring may pamilya ka, hindi nga lang buo. Pero kontento ka sa buhay mo ngayon. Kumbaga, you are in a good place right now. And the energy of your person, on the other hand, is the Five of Cups in the reverse. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, yung energy ng person mo at present moment, madami siyang regrets na kinakaharap pagdating sa nangyari sa romantic relationship niya. Kasi maaaring madami siyang pinagsisisihan na ginawa niya, na na-involve siya sa isang third party situation, maaring nagkaroon siya ng realizations na mali ang kanyang ginawa, maaring na-realize niya na yung third party ay hindi rin para sa kanya. And the energy in between you and your person is the Six of Pentacles in the upright. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, maaring may communication na kayo ng person mo. Maaring nandun ka na rin sa moving forward stage ng buhay mo. Maaring napatawad mo na siya. And very giving ang energy nyong dalawa. So, ibig sabihin yan, kung kayo ay may anak together, maaring nagko-co-parent kayo ng anak nyo at binibigay nyo ang lahat ng mga kaya nyo to make that family parang kahit na papaano ito ay buo, kahit na hindi ito buo. So, very generous ang energy nyo sa isa't isa. So, maring medyo okay-okay na kayo. Kumbaga, may sarili-sarili kayong buhay, but at the same time, you are already accepting the fact that nagkaroon ng hidwaan or nagkaroon na ng lamat ang relationship. But the energy in between the both of you is okay. So, it's positive. And the energy on the other hand of the third party is the Eight of Swords in the reverse. So, anong ibig sabihin ng Eight of Swords? Yung third party naman ngayon ay panayang pag-overthink at hindi siya maka-move forward sa relationship ng person mo at ng nangyari sa kanila. So, maaring they are still in a relationship or pwede ring naghiwalay na sila or hindi nag-giving ang person mo into the relationship. Kasi ang energy na lumabas in between your person and the third party is the Nine of Cups in the reverse. So, ibig sabihin, ang daming disappointment na nangyari dito sa relationship na ito. So, maaaring meron silang expectations sa isa't isa na parang very fascinated sila sa unang yugto. Yung parang, wow, this is new. This is something exciting. Pero kinalaunan, nung medyo tumagal-tagal na yung relationship, na-realize nila na parang hindi pala masaya ang pagkakaroon ng third party or anong affair. And madaming pagsisisi, kumbaga, dito sa kanilang dalawa na nangyayari sa present moment. So, yung third party, hindi rin siya makawala na parang feeling niya, bakit ba ako nag-give in dito sa relationship na to? Lagi ko siyang iniisip, hindi ako maka-move forward. parang there's really that overthinking. Parang mentally na-trap yung third party dahil dun sa ginawa niyang affair or dun sa affair na nangyari between your person and the third party. Now we are moving now to the future energies between you, your person, and the third party. Okay, possible future energy between you, your person, and the third party. So, ang energy na lumabas is the King of Wands in the upright. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, whether you are a male or a female, talagang you will be in your position or in your power or you will be in your element in the future. Kasi, marirealize mo na hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao para mabuhay. So, you are enough. Talagang ma-attract mo lahat ng bagay papunta sa'yo. So, maaring meron ka rin makilala in the future na tutugma sa energy mo when it comes to love. And the energy of your person, possible future energy of your person in the future is the sun card in the upright. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung person mo will feel fulfilled. Magiging masaya siya in the future. And the energy in between the two of you is the Ten of Cups in the reverse. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, if you're expecting reconciliation, there won't be any reconciliation that will be happening between you and your person. Kasi, ang sinasabi dito, mukhang kung may ganon kayong pamilya, hindi na ito magiging buo. Kasi naka-reverse ang Ten of Cups. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, kung may anak kayo, maaaring magko-co-parent kayo with one another, but the family will still be separated or parang you will be living your own lives, kumbaga. And the energy, possible future energy of the third party is the Queen of Cups in the reverse. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, yung energy ng third party is sobrang magiging selosa, magiging paranoid itong third party kasi alam niya na hindi buo. Kung yung person mo ay pinili yung third party, alam niya na hindi talaga siya magiging masaya dun sa affair na nabuo or dahil galing sa nakaw ang relationship, hindi siya magiging masaya dun sa relationship because he or she will be filled with paranoia. Yung talagang iisipin niya na bakit? Ba't ganito? Bakit ganyan? Bakit ganito yung pinapakita ng person ko? Hindi siya matatahimik. Yun ang energy ng third party. Kasi palagi siyang mag-overthink. This is a consequence of putting yourself in a position na dapat hindi mo naman talaga nilagay yung sarili mo doon. And the energy in between your person and the third party is the temperance in the reverse. So, it seems like they will try to balance things out. Pwedeng they will try to work out their relationship. Pwede ring pwede rin maghiwalay sila in the future or they will also go in their own separate ways. But it feels like more of magiging sila pero they will try to resolve their issues on their own. So yun ang energy in between the both of them.